Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix scaling in VirtualBox. So what usually happens is, as you can see on the screen right now, you want the VirtualBox to fill the whole screen from where there is file up to here on the other corners, and when you change the resolution, it doesn't change to a resolution that is optimal for the VirtualBox. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to devices, then click on insert guest addition CD image, and once you click on it, you're gonna go to the Explorer. So this one is basically for installing all the drivers required for your VirtualBox that are already on your host machine. So you're gonna click on the application file, run it, click yes for everything. Is just the default installations for any program. So once you finishes, it's gonna ask you to restart your machine. So just make sure you reboot. Just click on OK. It's gonna reboot the virtual machine, and normally when you install this, it should be automatic. And it changes. You can see it scaled, but it didn't scale fully completely. So you're just gonna install again and restart. And now when you install it for the second time, it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna scale to the maximum, as you can see. So that's how you scale your VirtualBox machine. Like if it helped, and if it didn't help, comment and tell me what the error was. See ya.